Lean Office is a management approach that aims to streamline and optimize administrative and support processes within an organization. It is based on the principles of lean management, which originated in the manufacturing industry and has since been adapted to various business functions, including office operations. The goal of implementing lean office practices is to eliminate waste, improve efficiency, and enhance overall productivity in administrative tasks. This involves identifying and eliminating non-value-added activities, reducing unnecessary steps in processes, and creating a more organized and standardized workflow. Key elements of Lean Office include 1. Value stream mapping. This involves analyzing the flow of work and information through the office to identify areas of waste and inefficiency. By mapping out the current state and designing a future state, organizations can visualize opportunities for improvement and develop action plans to achieve them. 2. Standardized work. Establishing standard procedures and work instructions for routine tasks helps minimize variation and errors, leading to greater consistency and predictability in office operations. 3. Visual management. Visual tools such as Kanban boards, visual displays, and color coding are used to make information more accessible, improve communication, and provide real-time visibility into work status and performance. 4. Continuous improvement. Just as in lean manufacturing, the concept of continuous improvement is fundamental to Lean Office. This involves fostering a culture of ongoing problem-solving, innovation, and learning to drive incremental enhancements in processes and performance. 5. Employee involvement. Engaging employees at all levels in the identification of improvement opportunities and the implementation of changes is critical to the success of Lean Office initiatives. Empowering staff to contribute their insights and ideas fosters a sense of ownership and commitment to the improvement process. 6. Waste reduction. Lean Office focuses on identifying and eliminating various forms of waste, including unnecessary movement, waiting time, overproduction, excess inventory, defects, and underutilized talent. 7. Customer focus. Aligning office processes with customer needs and expectations is essential for delivering value. By understanding customer requirements and incorporating them into office operations, organizations can enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. In conclusion, Lean Office offers a systematic framework for enhancing the efficiency, quality, and customer focus of administrative processes within an organization. By embracing lean principles and fostering a culture of continuous improvement, businesses can achieve greater operational excellence in their office functions.